The navies of Singapore and Indonesia have concluded a 6-day bilateral mine-countermeasure exercise. The drills in Batam and off the waters of Bintan and Singapore were aimed at enhancing the ability to counter underwater threats together.
More than 250 personnel were involved in that exercise, and it ranged from planning to professional exchanges on mine hunting and clearance techniques, as well as operations to clear a safe passage in the mined area for ships.
There were also drills on response and non-conventional maritime threats, such as the disposal of waterborne improvised explosive devices.